Hello to all my friends out there. Hi, you guys. Okay, I want to show you some ways to use your stockpile down. That's really cheap. So I'm just frying 2 eggs, and last night I made tortillas. So I want to cook them up. So this time I think I'm going to use cooking spray so that I can have the tortillas on the side kind of like bread this time. I'm going to make some really easy Huevos Rancheros. And so if there's any really authentic Mexican people out there, that's not me, okay? I know your grandmother had her ways. This is like how to get by when you don't have much money. Ooh, my tortillas are looking good. I made these last night and I fried them up. I rolled them out. Let me get the recipe. And they're easy to roll out when they're cold. Plus, no wasting. Oh. I want to give you the recipe in every video. So for a while now, I'm going to be making stuff. That's the way to really get the hang of the. Ooh, yummy! My tortillas look good. So it's really easy. You just mix all the dry ingredients. Good. And then cut your lard or shortening in, and then add warm water. That's all there is to it. So this way, another thing that's not going to happen, yummy, is you're not going to be running out of bread. So my eggs are going. So I any kind of cooking spray, I buy these at Dollar Tree. My pan is really, really hot. Okay, so now on top of this, I bought this salsa, so I want to use it up. And so what I want to do is just pour the salsa on my eggs. And then, finish cooking the eggs. Yummy. So, it's my opinion, and I hope I'm wrong, that we're going to be going through this thing for the rest of the year. That's my opinion. Hope I'm wrong. I'm probably not wrong. And so, these are really a good deal. $1 at Dollar Tree, and you get 4.5 servings. So you're going to have a lot of food. Can you come in? I'm doing the video. My pan is too hot. So this is going to make a really good burrito. So what I did is I heated some refried beans that I bought at Dollar Tree, and then I put some chunks of cheese, to get some really cheesy. Oh, you're in. Some really cheesy refried beans. And then I have some tea from yesterday. So this is going to be a very, very cheap meal and a very quick meal. Okay, so now I want to show you guys the salad that's really inexpensive. Any kind of lettuce. And this is good if you don't have tomatoes. I'm gonna flip my eggs. Those yolks just don't look. Those yolks just don't look done to me. So okay, so I want to put these beans on the bottom. And I just bought a bunch of cheese at Walmart and stockpiled it. Yummy. Look at that, you guys. And then a little salt and pepper. So this is how your stockpile is really gonna come in handy. And then if you have Parmesan cheese, it's really tasty on the lettuce. And when you figure out how to make your tortillas, things get really cheap. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe.